Recording.
Alright, y'all, I am on Candy Mountain Road, right off of US 60, I'm sorry, off of North Carolina 294, Candy Mountain. It is a Wednesday morning, about here, I'll tell you exactly what time it is. It is 10:39. Yeah, on a Wednesday before Labor Day, and I'm here to tell you, I'm glad I'm on a back road because I have seen more law than I've seen in a while. I went by the unmarked burnt orange highway patrol Charger. He was running radar in a 35-mile-an-hour zone, hidden, tucked in the weeds, waiting, which I'm okay with that, because where he was sitting is a seriously heavy residential area, not like this road that's 35 mile an hour where nobody's at. But where he was sitting, the people that race through there, they absolutely need a ticket. I always go 35 through there because I'm afraid there's just too many kids. There's too many houses, there's too many kids in that little neighborhood. So it was good to actually see the highway patrol sitting there, actually doing something to save lives instead of being out on 64 or 74 writing tickets. Just speeding tickets for people going to work and going home from work. And on 294 I just saw another one, and there were a couple others out on US 64 running radar, because my radar detector has been busy today. That was a lot of gravel in that turn. But this is Candy Mountain. If you want to get off of a main road and you're going from Murphy, North Carolina out to, this is a lot of gravel in this corner. This road's usually kind of clean. I think they just chip sealed this. This seems like it's new from the last time I was out here. But if you, anyway, I'll shut up with the mumbling. But this road, if you are headed to the Cherahela Skyway, Tellico Plains, Tennessee 68, and you don't want to drone along on North Carolina 294, jump off on Candy Mountain. This little road is a nice gem in the middle of nowhere, and as you see, the road it's pretty good. It's bumpy. They chip sealed it. They didn't smooth anything out. They just chip sealed it and coated it. But it's pretty scenic out here. It's nice. It's got some curves. And now we're on the new pavement. It gets better from here. I'm happy when they chip seal a road and fix it up, but I like it better when they smooth the road out before they chip seal it. But if you want to see rural western North Carolina, this is it right here. Again, like I've stated in other videos, you're going to find more churches than you will gas stations out here. Ah, they're putting in fiber optic. Nice. Nice. I used to want to live out here, but lack of internet was the main reason why I stayed away. Where I live now, I have internet. It's terrible internet. Murphy Cable Company. I'm gonna say it's probably the most unstable internet I've ever seen anywhere. When I lived in Florida, I had a Roadrunner. Roadrunner was outstanding. Shoot, Murphy Cable Company, they give me 100 meg down and 3 meg up. Do you know how long it takes me to upload this video with 3 meg? This video will be 4 gig in size. I've got one going up from yesterday. It was like 3 hours just to get it up to you guys so you can watch it. But look at this. Isn't this beautiful? These people got their own lake. Candy Mountain Road. You will not be disappointed. If you're going to run it like a racetrack though, bring your broom so you can sweep out the curves first. The one thing you don't have to worry about on this road is traffic. That guy Eller goes back out to 294. You are never going to run into traffic on this road. I bet in the morning that pasture right there is just full of deer. We're almost to the end of this road now, back to 294. Hey, if you like these little back roads, hit that thumbs up button. It'd be awesome if you were a subscriber, but I'm happy if you just give me a thumbs up. Beggars can't be choosers. One day I'm gonna go in that store. They don't look open today. A lot of places are closed on Wednesdays. But this is 294. We're going to be in Tennessee in a second. But anyway, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching my Candy Mountain video. See you on the next one.